Are you looking for senior living in Denver? Need an assisted living facility to take care of mom or dad? Maybe you're a senior finding it hard to cope these days. Whatever the circumstances, a senior living facility could be the solution. With great accommodations, modern facilities, and qualified staff on hand 24/7, seniors can live in comfort knowing there's always someone to help out. From day-to-day tasks, essential medical treatment, or just a friendly chat. Whether you're looking for a permanent home or just need a short stay, we're confident our senior living facility will fit your needs. Call us about senior living in Denver today. Please call 720-213-8674.